Hello, I thought you might be interested in some initiatives that we're about to roll out across Moir Group. Firstly, we're about to launch a document that looks at how, as a candidate, when you're looking at a new organisation, you can really get to the heart of what their culture might be. It's an area that comes up a lot, it's a difficult area, and it's, I think, the most important thing when you're looking at a career move. It is interesting that we've been hosting quite a number of events over the last few months looking at the link between care and leadership, and so I think this whole area is a really key one. And I think if there's some positive things coming out of these times is the role of a leader in a business is going to change a lot, I think, coming out of this, and people will expect a lot more from their leaders, and particularly excellent leaders will start with care as a key thing. So I think this whole area around culture is key. Secondly, we now have a presence in Brisbane, so we'd be delighted to help you if you have an accounting and finance recruitment need on a temporary or a permanent basis in Brisbane. Please let us know, we'd love to help you. And also we're about to launch a new area on our website that's dedicated to remuneration, salaries, answering your questions around that. It's a very popular area, it's one that we get a lot of questions about, so that's why we're doing that as well, so watch out for that too.